There was some stuff I was supposed to discuss with Dee. Did you help him out?
Yes, I did. But I think he was secretly disappointed. He kept hoping you'd come back on time so you could go over it with him. Look, baby, all Dee wants is some attention and approval from you.
I don't see why I should share my bed with another man.
Oh, come on, dear. You know the reason he sleeps here is because I don't want him to leave me.
You've been saying that for the past 3 years.
It's a lie, Mom. Maybe you did not even check.
Oh yeah, look for a vest for him.
Why do I have to look for a vest for him? Why do I have to do everything for him?
Because you're his older brother, that's why. And you have to look out for him.
But you know I have nothing against having a housemaid.
See why? What exactly do you need?
Nothing, oh. Nothing. Should I ask Mama to send someone?
No thank you. That will not be necessary. I can find one here. I don't want Mama sending someone from the village with specific instructions to become wife number 2.
Oh, gentlemen. The mom will drop you off, okay?
Oh, Dad, you always drop her at school. How come you aren't taking us today?
My car got spoiled last night. I even have to get a taxi.
Can't you ride with you?
Your mom will drop you off today and every other day. Until the car is fixed.
Yippee! I like riding with Mom.
Come, let's go now. Nayo. Okay.
Hello, you.
Welcome. Welcome, ma. Welcome.
Hi, Kanayo.
No, Ebube, ma. It's Ebube. Mom.
And you must be Kanayo.
Yes, Mom. Why do you always forget that name?
I always have so much on my mind. Darling. And you.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye-bye, ma.
Hi. Oh, bye. How was your baby?
Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, Mommy.
I've been nothing and nothing.
Sorry guys, I was dead tired.
Doing what?
Housework, what do you think? Now look here. Do you think that... What's up with him?
You want a kiss like other mothers give their sons?
What mothers?
Well, they're next door.
Do you think that I'm going to kiss you just because she didn't? Oh, all right. And you too, big baby. Now you guys should hurry along. Go take a bath and come down for dinner.
Yippee, what are we eating?
Baby, I have no idea. That woman. Imagine turning my own sons against me. I mean, where do I go to escape her? Who does she think she is anyway? Miss Perfect.
No, she's not. She doesn't even know my name.
You see? She doesn't.
She called Ebube Kanayo.
Why would she do that?
Says she has a lot of things to think about.
So much so that she cannot even remember my boy's name. Okay now. I too shall forget her children's name. Yes. I shall ignore them. Now, if anybody wants to eat, go take a bath. Now! Fast, fast, fast. Go on, soldiers. Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop. I hope she gets very serious things to think about. Nonsense high school. Nothing else to me. Even the Canada. What's hard in that? I'll go walk.
So what's going on?
What do you mean what's going on? Nothing is going on. I'm just working late, that's all.
Issa, you've been working at that same company for the last 10 years. And I don't recall a time when you came back home at past midnight several times a week.
Are you accusing me of something?
This is the 3rd time this week, Issa.
What's this I'm getting? I walk through the door and you jump down my throat?
What do you mean jump down your throat, Issa? This is the 3rd time you're coming home at past midnight this week.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Right. I'm sorry. I've really had a long day at the office. They've practically been on our necks. The things have been so tight on us. I'm sorry, please.
You could have called, Issa. That's what phones are made for.
I know, Chumai. I could have called. I'm sorry. I just didn't think. Okay?
Issa. It's not as if I don't trust you. But you have to admit things have been really weird lately. What's going on? Is there something I should know?
Oh, quit worrying, baby. There's absolutely nothing wrong. Okay? Nothing's going on either, alright?
You know, there's nothing you can talk to me about. Are you happy? I just want you to be happy. That's all.
I'm happy, okay? Baby, I'm just tired. That's all.
Should I get you something to eat?
No, don't worry. I had something at the office.
That's another thing. You've practically stopped eating at home.
Now I know you exaggerated, baby. Come then, let's go to bed, okay? Come on, let's go to bed. Come on. Oh, come on. Let's go to bed. Come on. I'll show you that nothing is wrong. Lay your whispers on my pillow. Let's do something. Would you get back from work early today?
Why?
I want to make up for yesterday. If you get back home early today, we'll all go out and eat.
Great. The kids and I would love that. Okay, what if I get back from work by 7? Will 7:30 p.m. be alright?
Sure, it's okay. No problem. I'll do it. Besides, it's a Friday night and it doesn't matter if the boys go to bed late and sleep in tomorrow.
Do you want to tell the kids or should I tell them?
Sure, oh baby, go ahead and tell them.
I will see you later. Good morning, loves.
Good morning, Mom. Mom, you weren't here to give me my breakfast.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm sorry I wasn't. But I woke up very late this morning.
What were you doing last night?
Nothing you should know about. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Dad.
Daddy, good morning.
Oh, Sammy boy, good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Good morning, Dad.
Thank you, love.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Polycarp. Thank you. Hope you slept well.
Very well, thank you. Would you have something for breakfast?
No, nothing for me, darling. Do you want anything for breakfast? No. Nothing, thank you. Guess what? Daddy is giving us a treat today.
Wow.
What is it?
Wow. He's taking us out to dinner and we get to choose anywhere we want to go.
That's great. Anywhere.
Now, son, I mean anywhere within Lagos and environment.
Okay. How about the new Just Chicken?
Done.
Oh, goody!
That's my boy.
All right, hurry up. We won't be late for school.
Let's go and play. I'm sorry. Not today.
Why not? Dad is taking us out to Just Chicken at 7 p.m. Can you come?
Come on, shush.
Don't shush me.
Shush, my friend. Sam, it's just 5 o'clock and you have 2 hours.
Not if you want to be ready and waiting.
It's like your mommy who is always late.
Don't mind him. Always talking rubbish.
But that's what mommy says.
Let's go.
Hello, loves.
Mom, you are late.
No, I am not.
I think you should get dressed. I don't want us to keep Daddy waiting.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, Polycarp.
Can I serve you a late lunch?
Well, I'm sure you must have heard that we're going out to dinner. You can have the rest of the day off.
Thank you.
Oh, they over so soon.
They are going out, so they don't want to go. Mom, why can't we go out like the news?
Why should we go out like the news? Oh yeah, Ebube, come and help me wash this place so I can start dinner. Ebube, I am talking to you. Or do you want dinner to be late?
It'll be late anyway.
What was that you said?
He said,
Shut up.
don't tell me to shut up.
Ebube, why did you say food will be late?
Lily says his mother said you're always late.
Ebube Chukwu, what do you think you are doing?
Others go out to judge chicken. I have to wash plates.
If I hear that from you one more time, you will move in with the Nyos and they will adopt you. Oh yeah, kitchen.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
where is Daddy?
Oh, be patient, Jen. It's only 7 o'clock.
My tummy is making noises.
Your stomach is always making noises. What does it mean?
That's true. Very, very true. No.
Mommy, the beans is burning. Oh, my tummy
Will you
is...
stop whining, Sam?
Mom, where's Dad?
He'll be here. He said 7:30.
And it's 8:30. I'm hungry.
Oh, baby, come here. How about I make you a sandwich?
No, thank you. Wait for Daddy.
He might be running late.
That's a lie. He promised to come and I know he will.
Of course he will. And then we'll go out to dinner. And you can have double portions of chips, chicken, ice cream, pizza, donuts, whatever of what you want, okay?
Yippee! Okay, Mom.
Okay.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Food already ready?
Don't strain my enemies.
Who are they?
Within and without.
What's up with him?
Don't mind him. Told him to go and wash plates. Sorry.
Thank you.
Told him to go and wash plates. Talking about chicken, grumbling.
Kids will always be kids now. You're too hard on these boys, I think. This burnt offering won't get you out of the dog's cage.
I was only trying to be an always earlier wife.